If you want to block someone on DAZN, follow these simple steps to ensure a smoother viewing experience. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by opening the DAZN app or website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the top corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In your account settings, look for the Privacy or Account Settings section. This is where you can manage your interactions and privacy preferences. Step 4. Find blocked users. Within the privacy settings, there should be an option for blocked users or manage blocked users. Click on this to see a list of users you can block. Step 5. Block the user. To block someone, search for their username in the provided field or select them from the list. Click the block button next to their name to complete the process. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone on DAZN and enhance your viewing experience. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to DAZN support for assistance.